Icy windshields are a common winter hassle. There's a simple DIY solution to de-icing your windshield. Here's how to make windshield de-icer. To 1 part water, add 2 parts isopropyl alcohol. Now just add a few drops of dish soap. Couldn't be easier, and this is stuff you probably already have in a cabinet. Spray this on an icy windshield to help it melt away fast. You can also apply this the night before to keep ice from building up. Another homemade de-icer is just white distilled vinegar diluted with water. Another great solution is a cover to keep your windshield clear. Just make sure to take this off before you hit the road. Instead of fighting with a solid slab of ice, use this solution to melt ice quickly. This one's frozen solid. This one is breaking right apart. Problem solved. Winter is coming. Here are some items to have in your car to be safe and prepared. A good place to start is with tools and an emergency roadside kit. That way you have what you need for minor maintenance and repairs. You should also keep snacks and spare water there to keep you hydrated and nourished. Pack items to stay warm. Emergency blankets are great, they're small and lightweight. That way, if the temperatures drop, you have what you need. As winter temperatures fluctuate, keep an eye on your tire pressure. I also like to keep cables or chains, so you're always ready for any winter road conditions. An ice scraper and small shovel can really come in handy. And I like to throw in a sturdy pair of gloves. Keep your phone charged in your car or bring a charged backup battery. And you can find some with built-in solar power. And another essential is a flashlight. And before you hit any winter roads, know your routes and check weather conditions. All prepared for my next adventure. Traveling on winter roads means being prepared for ice and snow. Here's how to put chains on your tires. Traditional chains are more durable and made for regular use. Cables like these serve the same purpose. They're going to be lighter weight and easier to use. When you're purchasing chains, be sure you're getting the right size for your vehicle. Chain and cable type installation is going to vary by manufacturer, so review the instructions. Be prepared with gloves and a small waterproof tarp for your knees. For rear-wheel drive vehicles, you'll want to put the chains on the back tires. For front and four-wheel drive vehicles, the chains are going to go on the front. For these cables, the first step is to drape them over the tire. Front of the cables gets tucked underneath the tire. I'm going to move forward about a foot. Secure the inside of the cable first. Now tightly secure the outside. And for these, I just need to lock them into place. Only drive on chains in conditions where they're needed. Some cables require additional fasteners, so again, be familiar with your instructions. It's a good idea to practice putting on chains before you go to an area they may be needed. Cables and chains will give you that extra traction for steering and braking in icy conditions. Oh wow, it's getting hard to see. Driving in winter can mean road delays and backups. Here's what to do if you're stuck during a winter storm. The most important thing is try to keep a full gas tank. Fuel up frequently and try not to drop below a half tank. If you are stopped, make sure it's somewhere safe and visible. Keep an extra supply of water and snacks inside your vehicle. If you are stopped for long periods of time, only run your engine about 10 minutes every hour. While the car is running, you can charge your phone, but portable battery is a great backup. You can use this time to briefly crack a window and ventilate the car. If temperatures really get low, reach for hats, jackets, gloves, even an emergency blanket can really help. If you are stopped in heavy snow, make sure your tailpipe stays clear. Just remember, stay in your vehicle, stay warm, and stay safe. Looks like things are starting to clear up. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.